Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is the benefits of current and cumulative expenditures for camera drone product R&D do not include which of the following. The correct answer to the question is reducing annual maintenance costs for installed camera drone workstations. This benefit show up at the beginning of the following year. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, jelly or comment, I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.